There's this kid in my class named Ben. Ben's okay most of the time, but sometimes he does things on purpose to make other kids mad. It's not always what he does. Sometimes it's what he says. Ben can be really funny, but sometimes he can turn that talent into something mean when he wants to make fun of someone. Yesterday, I was looking at a motorcycle magazine with some friends. Ben started to walk over, and I could tell that he was in one of his moods. I started to get tense.
Hey, Caden, you're gonna need some training wheels if you ever get one of those.
I was about to get really mad when I thought to myself, wait a sec, I'm getting angry. That's just what he wants. Better calm down. I won't let him get the better of me. Okay. Breathe. And count. 10, 9, 8. I decided to ignore him and walk away. So I just said to my friends, let's get out of here. We left Ben standing there with no one to bother.